Sorry that the battle ain't go down today.
What's moving? Yeah, it didn't go down. You know, I ain't really complaining, nothing like that. Shit like that happens, but you know, it just makes it much more better for the next opponent I get, you know. I'm still on my job, you know, shit ain't changed.
Well, I guess we gotta feel sorry for the next opponent.
Definitely. Like I said before, man, I'm everything original overhead. You know, my team, we moving strong. As y'all see, everybody, we out here, you know, original.
Okay.
Yeah, shit.
Move hot.
Straight time. We out here, you know, like I said, the shit don't stop. The shit don't stop. We doing it, like I said. The shit does not stop. We gonna keep on moving and grooving, you know. But the next battle, next person, it's over for them. Like I said, don't matter.
Yeah, spicy talk.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I said, we got Poet in the building. We got Riz in the building. Like I said, we got artists in the building. We got
Big GPS shit. You gotta get us on it. You made my son come out here with the. You serious? Nah.
The original perm low.
That's an OG
gangster, man.
Yeah, man. You know,
Gangster, man. I came all the way from Long Money, man. Niggas made me.
I came all the way out.
Yeah, the cameraman even came all the way out. Cause like, yo, I'm out here. I'm like, ain't this some shit? Some bullshit. It is what it. What's good, Kshine? What's good with you, bro? Assalamu alaikum, bro. Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
Work tonight?
Man, Moon
Yo,
duck
where
me,
Vito
man.
at? Put Vito on the
Moon
phone.
duck me, man.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, but it's cool.
Walk up to the club, bro. You know what I'm saying? She was going on.
Yeah.
She was going on the rice in the air, bro.
Yeah, it's cool, though. It's cool.
You know, shout out the Moon, though.
Yeah, definitely.
He's outside, though.
It's
Yo,
good
where
to see
Vito
you,
at?
man. It's good to see you, man.